Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another project to share with you guys, another dog themed album I created. So for this album, I used two different collections and I was just using up my scraps to make this. So one of the collections was called I Love My Dog by Echo Park. And the other one, I don't have the front cover anymore, but it was called Bark by Echo Park as well. So I used both of these collections and I was able to make this beautiful album. I just had scraps from both after making a project where I used both. So I just ended up using both again here. I will have them both linked down below in case you guys are interested as well in getting the collections. But on the front cover here, I did some stitching on the cut apart, stitching on the, the cover paper, same thing on the spine, and then the back, I used some scraps here as well. And then so here actually on the front, I used a little like tab punch here and made a cute little tab, and I turned this into a booklet so you could add additional couple of photos. And then back here, I made that a little tuck spot so you could add in some journaling, and you could add another photo on the tag on one side if you want as well and do some journaling on the back. But I love how that turned out. And then these are my enamel dots that I made with Nuvo drops, and I show you guys how I did that in my mermaid, no, not my mermaid, is it my mermaid? No, one of my handmade cards videos. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to learn how to make some with Nuvo drops as well. So when you open this up, it looks like this. Here you could just add in a large photo of your fur baby. Here it says home is where your dog is, and I have this beautiful tag here that I made with my tag punch, which looks like this, and I'll link it down below. I love this tag punch, you guys. It's awesome. I didn't use it for the rest of this album, I just used it on here, but I love it. And I also used some seam binding from my scrap cabin shop, so I'll have her linked down below. I get all of my seam binding from her. So there's this color that I used, there's this one. I just have a ton of her colors and they're fantastic. Also, you guys, if you are looking for a tutorial, I do have a tutorial on how to make this album. It is actually a video class tutorial, so you could find that in one of my Etsy shops, and it'll teach you how to make this exact album from start to, well, not this exact album, I mean the same exact style album, but I did make another one in the tutorial. So I show you guys how to make this one, but it's the same exact thing, just different pattern papers. But I show you guys how to make the base pages, both with 12 by 12 paper, and then there's another video where I show you guys how to use 8.5 by 11 paper to make the base pages. I show you guys how to make the chipboard cover and everything, how to do the hinge. I show you guys the paper matting. I show you guys how I stitch on my covers, how I stick them down. And I even included in this video, which I don't normally do on my YouTube tutorials, I included all the booklets and inserts and everything. That's all in the video as well. So you guys might want to check out that video class tutorial. I'll have it linked down below. You'll only be able to access it if you buy it through my Etsy shop. Otherwise, you won't be able to see those videos and tutorials. There's also a cutting guide included with that as well. All right, so here's the next page. Here it just says cold nose, warm heart. And I made these cute little tags and added a gemmy in the center, just like that. They do add in some bulk though. Here it says I love my dog this much, and this is actually a cute little tuck spot. So if you wanted to, you could add in a little, oh, actually that's a belly band. You know what? We're gonna add this little thing in here. And I have this ribbon right here in my stash, so why not just use that? And I'm just gonna staple it on there. So I'm gonna pull it through and then just staple it. And I just like to go through my scrap ribbon. It's always on my desk, always easily accessible, and I have plenty of scrap ribbons, so why not use them? Like, you don't gotta throw out these little pieces. They're great for tags. All right, so we're just gonna have that live right there. And then I have 2 booklets inside that pocket. So you've got 1 booklet, you've got another booklet here. So that just lives in here. So fun. And then these are also pocket pages, so you can add in additional photos or do some journaling on that if you'd like. Okay, moving on to this page. Here I've got this booklet, and it just says, dogs are not our whole life, but they make our lives whole. And I put yellow on the inside. There's yellow in the collection, so I thought it matched. Here, I didn't have a cut apart, but I had a sticker and some pattern paper, so I just did that. And it says, if all else fails, snuggle with your puppy, and it's just so cute. And then this flips open. You could add photos here. This video class tutorial was so fun to do, guys. It's very long because, I mean, there's 5 parts to the video, but I think you guys will enjoy it. Here, there's this flip out, and this says, some people will never understand how much I love my dog, but that's okay. My dog knows, and I feel that. And then you could add photos here and here. Then this piece, you got a swing tab closure. This flips open like that, so you could add in some photos there. And then this is a cute little tuck spot with a tag right behind that. And then this flips again this way, so you could add a photo here, and you could add photos here, and then you could still add your photo here because only this part shows, so you still have space. Or you could even add a photo directly behind here on here, which is perfect. Then this is also another pocket page, so you've got this insert in there. And then here you've got this tuck spot that says woof with this cute little tag with a blue bow here and a little gemmy. Then it says me and my dog here. That one's stuck down completely. I was gonna see if I could add another tag, but that's stuck down. And then this says bath time. So adorable, and you could add in a couple more photos in there as well. They'll fit. And then here it just says live, love, bark. You've got this tag holding that closed. And then this flips open. It says first they steal your heart, then they steal your bed. And that's exactly how it worked with my dog. And that's what that looks like there. And then here you've got this little doggy tuck spot. And it just says dog food, yummy treats. And this is just a little like journal card. So yeah, super duper fun, you guys. I love how it turned out. I hope you guys take a look at that video class tutorial if you guys want to learn how to make one as well. I mean, it's easy, but you know, just like all mini albums, they do take time to make, and it takes me especially longer when I do it on camera. But it was something fun to do, and it was fairly easy to do, so I hope you guys enjoy that video. It turns out perfect. You can make a bunch of these for gifts. And you do use quite a bit of paper. I think of my other one that I made, this one, I only have 4 full-size sheets left from a collection, and then I have like 2 half sheets. So I definitely used at least like 6, 7 sheets of paper. If I count the half sheets as 1, then that's 5. So I probably used like 7 sheets of like full-size sheets of paper. So you do use still a good amount, but it works out so great for this. And like I said, I used scraps for this one in particular, where I just had a couple of pages left over from like each collection, and you could even see on the back I paper pieced, but it worked out so well. So definitely check out that tutorial, you guys, where I show you guys in detail how to make this one, same style though. And that is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project share video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.